Hello friends, how are you all? Hope everyone is doing good. So, after 2 years, we finally decided to go out for a weekend getaway. After a lot of research, we decided to go to this beautiful resort called Palm Exotica. This also has water amusement park, which I will be covering in detail in this video. So, do watch the video completely. We reached the place at around 10:30 am and finished all check-in formalities by 11 am. It's good to come early as you can access the pool even without doing the check-in. There is a buggy available near reception for the luggage transfer. There are varieties of rooms available which you can opt based on the budget. We came with my sister-in-law's family and opted for Daffodil Rooms as others were not available. Let's check the room now. Tariff of this room is approximately 6,500 per night for 2 people and extra 800 for kids above 5 years. This is excluding food. Room is decent and main attraction of this room is the pool view from the balcony. Isn't it beautiful? Let me know in the comment section if you like it. There is a mini refrigerator and also safety locker to store your valuables. Overall, room is decent and spacious for a family of 2 adults and 1 kid. Even washroom is neat and clean. After fresh up, we spend some time in the pool. Kids enjoyed at the pool in the hot sunny day. members enjoyed in the pool and we had a lot of fun. There is a rain dance floor too, which they operate 24/7 upon request. You can see how kids enjoyed dancing to the core. After our lunch, we headed towards Wild Waters Amusement Park. It's just half-kilometer away from the room. Tariff is 1200 for adults and 1000 for kids. As it's too huge, a map is provided for our convenience. There are fun rides for kids and adults. These include both dry and wet rides. Kids had a lot of fun and enjoyed all the rides. I could only cover the dry rides in the video as we kept all our belongings in the locker. For lockers, they charged us around 100 rupees. There was a summer carnival going on when we visited. It had DJ and food court. We had snacks and refreshment drinks here. Don't miss the DJ steps by kids coming next. After fresh up, we had dinner and had some chill out time near indoor games. woke up next day early morning and had this beautiful pool view. Fiesta is a restaurant where we had lunch and dinner the previous day. We don't have any packages including lunch and dinner, but the breakfast is complimentary. There are many items in the breakfast menu. While we were having breakfast, kids had fun again near the pool and children's play area. This is Temple Sri Villa room with a private pool. Tariff of this room is around 11,000. Unfortunately, this was not available during our visit, but we are planning to book it earlier in our next visit. A 1 month prior booking is recommended to get your desired room. So, finally carried lot of sweet memories from the resort and did the checkout. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. If so, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and extend your support. Bye bye.